this tutorial, we present an example of how to structure a comprehensive toolchain for cool planning within the Citiwatts platform. We will guide you step by step through the process of utilizing the available data and calculation modules to analyze and plan the potential district cooling areas in your area. District cooling as a technology is rather similar to district heating, as both systems are pipe-based systems that distribute thermal energy to the end user. The main differences lie in the temperature of the supply and the return pipes, as the lower temperature is the supply pipe in district cooling. Also, the temperature differences between the supply and return pipe are smaller in district cooling, which means that in district cooling systems we generally need bigger pipes and a higher flow of water to reach the same power. District cooling can be a feasible way to supply cool demands in areas with high cool demand densities and make it possible to use cooling sources that would not be feasible to utilize for individual cooling systems. The calculation module for district cooling in Citiwatts provides you an easy-to-access and use tool to conduct a first-level screening of potential district cooling areas in your city or region. The key takeaways of the calculation modules are potential supply areas, which will give you the direction for where to proceed with district cooling in your municipal or regional energy and cool planning. The calculation module is built around an anchor point approach, which means that in each potential supply area, there would always be identified at least one anchor customer. The application of the calculation module has also been demonstrated in our series of webinars. Here we also dive into exercises to demonstrate selected features of the platform. Please find the recording of this webinar in the linked video.